Yeah, hit 'em with that praise, hit 'em with it, hit 'em with the praise, hit 'em with the praise, and they be back and let it go. Hit 'em with the praise, hit 'em with the praise, hit 'em with the praise, man, hallelujah, no. Yeah, man, you hit them with the praise, they be looking like wow. And I say you at the club getting crunking like bow, bow, wow. But I don't really know just how it do. I'ma throw my hands up so the Lord do it for you. And it's Sunday, so it's true. Man, you know just how I rap a nigga. Catch me in the hood, I thank the Lord when I trap. Lord when I move. Lord when I had kids. What I should have done, what the stuff what I done did. I got my mind right, freestyling if I hate, doing this and doing that, praying in the day or night. Got it how I got it. If I live it, man, I'm reeling. If I'm reeling, then I got it how I get it for my children. Man, you know what's plenty bread to feed the fam. I really don't know about it if I'm going ham. All in the jury, man, they don't know who I am. But if I'm hustler, you know I'm making ground. Hit 'em with that praise and hit 'em with it. Hit 'em with the praise and hit 'em with the praise and they be begging let it go. Hit 'em with the praise, hit 'em with the praise, hit 'em with the praise. Tell y'all sorry, no.